Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets. In today's video, we will delve into the top 7 AI healthcare stocks that have shown promising growth potential and could pave the way to building wealth. So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force in the healthcare industry, revolutionizing the way medical professionals diagnose, treat, and manage patients. By leveraging AI algorithms, machine learning, and big data analytics, companies are unlocking new possibilities and developing innovative solutions to address the complex challenges in healthcare. This intersection of AI and healthcare presents a unique investment opportunity for those looking to capitalize on the growth potential of this rapidly evolving field. The need for more effective and individualized healthcare solutions, the expansion of healthcare data availability, and technological advancements are all driving a paradigm shift in the global healthcare industry. AI technologies have the potential to augment human capabilities, improve diagnostic accuracy, streamline workflows, enhance patient care, and drive down costs. As a result, companies that successfully harness the power of AI in healthcare are well positioned for substantial growth and can potentially generate significant returns for investors. These companies span various sectors within the healthcare industry, including technology giants, medical device manufacturers, telemedicine providers, genomics companies, and healthcare software solutions providers. Each of these companies has recognized the immense opportunities AI presents and has strategically positioned itself to leverage AI in its respective domain. It's important to note that investing in stocks always carries risks, and the AI healthcare sector is no exception. The landscape is dynamic and subject to regulatory, technological, and competitive uncertainties. Therefore, investors should conduct thorough research and assess the company's financial health, competitive advantages, market potential, and the robustness of their AI technologies before making any investment decisions. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and guidance tailored to individual investment goals and risk tolerance. Now let's explore the top 7 AI healthcare stocks that have shown promising growth potential and could offer substantial returns to investors willing to embrace the potential of AI in healthcare. Number 7. Alphabet Incorporated, ticker, GOOGL. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, has made significant strides in AI healthcare with its subsidiary, DeepMind. DeepMind's AI algorithms have been used to improve diagnoses, predict patient deterioration, and analyze medical imaging data. Alphabet's vast resources, coupled with its commitment to advancing AI technology in healthcare, make it an attractive investment option. DeepMind's AI-powered algorithms have demonstrated promising results in various medical applications. For instance, in partnership with Moorfields Eye Hospital in the UK, DeepMind developed an AI system that can accurately detect eye diseases such as age-related macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy by analyzing retinal scans. This breakthrough technology has the potential to transform the field of ophthalmology and improve patient outcomes. Alphabet's investments in AI healthcare go beyond DeepMind. Google Cloud's healthcare API enables secure and scalable data storage, integration, and analysis, empowering healthcare providers to leverage AI algorithms for clinical decision support, population health management, and medical research. With its diverse portfolio and commitment to innovation, Alphabet stands out as a formidable player in the AI healthcare space. Number 6. Nvidia Corporation, ticker, NVDA. Nvidia is a leading provider of AI computing platforms and chips. Its GPUs, graphics processing units, are widely used in healthcare for accelerating AI algorithms. Nvidia's healthcare-focused platforms enable high-performance computing, data analysis, and image processing, empowering medical professionals to make more accurate diagnoses and predictions. With the increasing adoption of AI in healthcare, Nvidia is well positioned for growth. The powerful computing capabilities of Nvidia's GPUs are instrumental in training complex AI models used in medical imaging analysis, genomics, drug discovery, and precision medicine. By leveraging Nvidia's AI technology, healthcare providers can enhance the speed and accuracy of medical imaging diagnosis, leading to improved patient outcomes. Moreover, the company's partnerships with leading healthcare organizations and research institutions further solidify its position in the AI healthcare market. Nvidia's commitment to advancing AI healthcare extends beyond hardware. It has also developed specialized software libraries and tools, such as the Clara Healthcare Imaging Platform, which facilitates the development and deployment of AI applications in medical imaging. With its comprehensive AI ecosystem and continued innovation, Nvidia is well positioned to benefit from the growing demand for AI-enabled healthcare solutions. Number 5. Medtronic plc, ticker MDT. Medtronic is a global leader in medical technology, and it has been actively incorporating AI into its product portfolio. The company's AI-driven devices and solutions aim to improve patient outcomes, enhance surgical procedures, and optimize healthcare delivery. Medtronic's commitment to innovation and its strong presence in the medical device market make it an intriguing AI healthcare stock. One notable application of Medtronic's AI technology is its use in implantable medical devices. For example, the company's AI-enabled pacemakers and defibrillators continuously learn and adapt to a patient's physiological conditions, optimizing therapy delivery and reducing complications. By leveraging AI algorithms, Medtronic's devices can personalize treatment based on individual patient needs, resulting in improved quality of life for patients. Furthermore, Medtronic's AI-powered surgical systems, such as the Mazor X Stealth Edition robotic guidance platform, assist surgeons in performing complex procedures with greater precision and efficiency. These systems combine AI algorithms with real-time imaging and navigation technologies to enhance surgical planning and execution. With its wide range of AI-driven products and a strong presence in the global healthcare market, Medtronic has a solid foundation for long-term growth. Number 4. Teladoc Health Incorporated, ticker TDOC. Teladoc Health is a telemedicine company that utilizes AI to connect patients with healthcare providers remotely. Its AI-powered platform enables virtual consultations, remote monitoring, and personalized care plans. With the growing demand for telemedicine services and the increasing adoption of AI in healthcare delivery, Teladoc Health has the potential for significant expansion. Telemedicine has experienced exponential growth, especially in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, and Teladoc Health has been at the forefront of this transformation. By incorporating AI into its platform, Teladoc Health can provide personalized healthcare recommendations based on individual patient data and medical history. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of patient information, identify patterns, and offer targeted treatment plans, ensuring efficient and effective care delivery. Teladoc Health's AI capabilities extend beyond primary care consultations. The company's acquisition of Livongo, a leading provider of AI-driven remote monitoring and chronic disease management, further enhances its position in the AI healthcare market. Through AI-powered tools, Teladoc Health can offer proactive monitoring, personalized interventions, and predictive analytics to improve patient outcomes and reduce healthcare costs. Number 3. Illumina Incorporated, ticker ILMN. Illumina is a leader in genomic sequencing and has embraced AI to enhance its capabilities. By combining AI algorithms with genomic data, Illumina aims to accelerate the discovery of disease biomarkers, facilitate precision medicine, and drive advancements in personalized healthcare. Illumina's strong market position in genomics, coupled with its AI initiatives, positions it well for future growth. The marriage of AI and genomics holds tremendous potential for advancing healthcare. Illumina's AI-driven solutions can analyze vast genomic datasets, identify disease-causing genetic variations, and guide targeted therapies. By leveraging AI algorithms, Illumina can expedite the analysis of complex genomic data, enabling researchers and clinicians to uncover valuable insights that aid in disease diagnosis, treatment selection, and drug development. Moreover, Illumina's AI applications extend to population genomics, where AI algorithms can mine large-scale genomic data to identify genetic predispositions to diseases, inform public health strategies, and enable personalized prevention initiatives. Illumina's strong reputation as a genomic sequencing leader, coupled with its AI-driven advancements, positions the company as a major player in the genomics and AI healthcare sectors. Number 2. Cerner Corporation, ticker CERN. Cerner is a prominent player in the electronic health record (EHR) industry, and it has been actively integrating AI into its systems. By leveraging AI algorithms, Cerner aims to improve clinical decision-making, enhance patient safety, and optimize healthcare operations. As the healthcare industry continues its digital transformation, Cerner's AI-enabled solutions are likely to gain further traction. AI integration in Cerner's EHR platform holds the potential to revolutionize healthcare delivery. By analyzing patient data, including medical histories, lab results, and imaging reports, AI algorithms can provide real-time clinical decision support to healthcare providers. This assists in accurate diagnosis, treatment planning, and medication management, ultimately improving patient outcomes and reducing medical errors. Furthermore, Cerner's AI applications extend to operational efficiencies. By leveraging AI algorithms, the company can analyze large volumes of healthcare data, identify workflow bottlenecks, and optimize resource allocation, leading to enhanced hospital operations and cost savings. Cerner's established position as a leading EHR provider, coupled with its commitment to AI integration, positions it favorably in the AI healthcare market. Number 1. CloudMD Software and Services Incorporated, ticker DOCRF. CloudMD is a telemedicine and digital healthcare solutions provider that utilizes AI to deliver comprehensive virtual care. Its AI-powered platform facilitates remote patient monitoring, personalized treatment plans, and predictive analytics. CloudMD's focus on AI-driven healthcare services and its expanding presence in the telemedicine market make it an intriguing investment opportunity. Telemedicine, coupled with AI, has the potential to transform the healthcare landscape by providing accessible and personalized care to patients. CloudMD's AI-powered platform integrates patient data from various sources, such as wearables and connected devices, allowing healthcare providers to remotely monitor vital signs, track patient progress, and intervene when necessary. AI algorithms can analyze this data to detect patterns and predict potential health risks, enabling proactive interventions and improved patient outcomes. Moreover, CloudMD's AI capabilities extend to personalized treatment plans and patient engagement. By leveraging AI algorithms, the company can develop customized care plans based on patient data, medical history, and treatment guidelines. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants enhance patient engagement by providing timely information, answering queries, and offering support throughout the care journey. As AI continues to disrupt the healthcare industry, companies harnessing its power are well positioned for growth and could offer significant returns to investors. Alphabet, Nvidia, Medtronic, Teladoc Health, Illumina, Cerner, and CloudMD are among the top AI healthcare stocks worth considering. These companies are leveraging AI to develop innovative solutions that enhance disease detection, drug development, patient care, and telemedicine services. However, it's important to note that investing in stocks carries risks, and thorough research and analysis are necessary before making investment decisions. Investors should consider their risk tolerance and financial goals, and consult with a financial advisor before investing in any stock. By investing in these innovative companies at the intersection of AI and healthcare, individuals have the potential to capitalize on the transformative power of AI and potentially achieve long-term financial success. While the AI healthcare sector offers promising opportunities, it's crucial to carefully assess the company's financial health, competitive advantages, and their ability to effectively commercialize their AI technologies. With proper due diligence and a long-term investment perspective, these AI healthcare stocks could provide substantial growth potential for investors. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.